Hi, this is Ron from Kolleno, and today I will show you how to view the list of invoices in NetSuite. As a reminder, Kolleno is a platform, as it shows, to simplify your financial operations. So if I go now into NetSuite, that's a page you are very familiar with. Yours might look a bit different. Don't worry, NetSuite is so customizable that it's almost impossible to replicate exactly what you see. There's really two ways to view the list of invoices. The first is to go here in the menu, transactions, sales, invoice sales order, create invoices, and list. So as you see, I made myself the mistake because the menu in NetSuite, the names don't always match exactly what you're looking for. And that's why I recommend to search another way, is to use the search bar. And I will type page colon. So this colon that you see here is quite important because it tells NetSuite search only among the pages. Don't start searching into the customers, references, payments, etc. And the page that I want is the one with the invoices. So I type, and then I see page invoices. Clicking, and that's it. You're on the list of invoices. As simple as that. Obviously here in the right you can see the total, where my mouse is. You can see the total of invoices. You can filter by page, you can sort, you can export, various settings. You have the filters here, and you can also customize your view with the edit view button that I just clicked on. Sometimes NetSuite can take a bit of time when you do an action, but you get the idea. So let's see if it comes. Yeah, perfect. So you see here you can really customize on that view what you want to see. There's a lot of different options. Here you can see the columns that we see. We can reorder the field, etc. And yeah, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.